welcome to our second episode. Thank you for all those who liked, for those who subscribed, even the new guys still subscribe. The second episode is on another phone, which is, I think I will brand the most powerful phone in the world. I know it's a big title to give it, but after we are done, you'll see why I'm saying this. The phone here is called the X-Tigi Mobile. It's an all-in-one powerful phone. This specific one is called the S23, and it's the most rugged phone I think I've ever seen in my life, and it looks like something that belongs in the backpack of a military guy. It boasts of 10,000 milliamps, which the company says comes with a standby of 200 hours. That one comes to almost 8 days, but I've been with this phone for at least 2 or 3 months, and this phone can keep charge for 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks. When you look at this phone, again, it's very rugged. It's a beautiful phone. It has a face that only a mother can love. And at this point, I mean, in terms of if you buy it and you're really, really in need of this kind of a phone, you will love this phone. If you're used to your high-end phones and everything else, you might look at it and roll your eyes. But you just need to hold this phone. It's not love at first sight, but once you just see how well it works and how well it operates, you'll tend to love it. It's not a must-have phone, but it's a need-to-have phone, which is probably the best thing about it. It's very basic, which is the other thing, but in its basic nature, it's probably the one thing that makes it the best phone to have. What do I mean by this? It has a camera, a pretty good camera actually. Probably not a camera I would use to take a selfie to put on Instagram or on Snapchat, but a camera nonetheless, especially if you're out there, if you need to document something. It has MP3 as an audio format. Video format, it has MP4 and a 3GP and AVI. It has FM. It has a torch. Here's the weird thing. This, I think, is a torch that can make calls than a phone that has a torch, because this torch is very powerful. If you point it in somebody's eyes, they squint immediately. The weird thing about this battery is it turns the phone into a power bank. This phone can charge your other phone. It's a phone you need to have it in your life. It's not a must, but once you have it, you'll wonder why you've not had it all your life. It's a hilariously brilliant phone, if I must say. If this phone falls down, nothing happens to it. The torch is LED. It comes with a bulb. This bulb, as you can see, lights up. It's very powerful. It can light a small house. If you're a student and you need to read something and there is a blackout, you just plug this on and you're sorted. Practical functionability. You know, it has some of the popular apps. I mean, well, they're not the best of the apps because it has Internet Explorer. Yeah, I know. And it's still on text. Doesn't have your WhatsApps. Doesn't have the browsing speeds that you're looking for. But then again, remember, this is not a phone you need. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the X-Tigi Mobile. It's a beautiful phone, I have to tell you. Like they say, conquer the unknown world, and you start from here. They actually mean it. Thank you very much. This is our second episode. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and see you on the next episode.